see what else is working with. It got AC still on it. You might want to try to make it work again, maybe not. That dash pad, it looked like they didn't know how to take the speaker out. They just stuck their finger in that motherfucker.
That's me.
They whole hand. Get out of there, 3.5. Bitch got 110 on the dash. Body is kind of straight. Still got that little front. I can get you a Mako paint job for about 700. Had that bit clean.
I kind of like that rusted red and black, man.
They
That patina.
shit all on there.
Yeah, and look, it's the Stone Vex colors, man. Look, it's speaking to me. Do the lights pop up? The front lights pop up, bro? Please tell me they do.
Yeah, if there's a what is that, Trans Am? Oh no, Camaros don't pop up.
Oh, okay. See, mine did. That's the one. I like that.
Yeah, man. We fuck around. With a car like this, you can just find a carburetor and intake. We can find you a carburetor intake and a nitrous kit and just go and finish thrashing it. 150 shot, you'll be able to feel it.
Okay.
See, this that Trent type body style. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Parts from him.
I like that shit, man. Maybe I'm gonna talk to Trent, see where I can find one.
Yeah. Message him.
That's what I need to do. I need to start asking people instead of just randomly looking on the internet. Somebody's got one sitting around.
Somebody got one sitting around. Ooh, man, I'm about to climb. Yeah, get it backyard. Ooh, I'm going real hard. Is he gonna fix them in the car? I'm trying to get it right up. Pulling up. A nigga stuck. Hey. Let me see. Definitely a 305. Hey, nitrous. Man, we gonna put some juice on whatever. We need to see if that bottom end any good. Ask him what happened to it. Let me see. What the fuck happened to the car? See more. Let me see more. What are he talking about?
You're interested now. As I'm telling you, this one spoke to me.
Alrighty, guys. I'm selling a 1992 Camaro Z28 25th anniversary with the T-tops, automatic transmission with the electric windows and door locks. It used work, but it has a straight body. No rust, no bundle. Make me a reasonable offer and thank you. It will need to be trailered off, and I will trade for four-wheelers. Shoot me an offer. Dude, this is a great running car. Well, it used to run before I parked it a couple years ago, but yeah, I like it. I'm really open to any trades, dude. I really don't want it anymore. It's just sitting here. Fuck it, bring me 400.
Do you think those exist? That's what I need.
What, a $400 car?
Yeah. Ooh, like this one maybe. I'm gonna send you the next one.
Yeah, they still got some $400 cars.
That might be it. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the $400 car. I don't want to spend $1 more.
He might want 800 then. Oh, they say they talking about he finna want 1,500 for that big boy. Oh, did he put 15? Oh.
So the first thing I got to do is get that truck going then.
The first thing you got to do is what?
Is sell that truck.
Yeah. Yeah, we can start tearing shit up if you want to.
I do. Badly. If I have to drive out to Dallas 2 days a week, I will.
Oh, there goes some more.
You want to build a car at your house?
Build a car?
Yeah.
Build a car, man. Building cars take longer than you think, fool.
I'm sure it does.
I'm trying to do some shit like...
Or work on
put a nitrous kit on.
Yeah.
Some shit that you could be... I ain't trying to be sitting down for goddamn me. Look, this is what you got to think of.
Yeah.
Sitting down for all that time, you could have just been stacking money. Either way it goes. You got to look at it.
What money?
Just say you buy a car that ain't running right now. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. That mean you going to be sitting. That mean it ain't going to run for another 2 to 3 months. So that means that if we buy it now, we ain't gonna enjoy it until 3 months pass by.
Well, see, I'm going to be enjoying the process of it. That's why I was saying because it's new to me. This is fun for me. I'm sure you've probably done this a ton of times.
Yeah, I'm tired of it. I started noticing how hard that shit is and how many parts they trying to tax and how they went up and labor and shit you can't do it. The labor of him, he didn't went up. I need something I already got some labor. Yeah. Let me see. Put it on something exciting over here. Who else I be watching? I don't even want to look at my videos. I don't think. What else I got exciting? I ain't got shit else exciting. Yeah, I need to do something exciting.
You gotta work on that car, man.
That shit ain't exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
people love car content.
I just put an AC in my garage. Ooh, I'm trying to get it cold while I work on cars. Hell yeah, I'm in the fucking garage. Ooh, I'm trying to fill my car. Hell yeah, I'm trying to fit the car. Ooh, I got a blowed head. Hey, I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to go feed. We doing this shit together, cold way. Hey, I'm in the back. I'm in the raw. I'm getting tough. It's getting hot. I love these hangouts with Lookout already, man. I just like, man, I hope my voice sound a little good on here. Do it sound like, to you, Stone Vet, it sound like a regular voice or it sound like it got some shit in it?
Sounds regular. No, it sounds regular to me.
Echo. Ain't no echo or nothing.
No, when you first started there was, but something fixed itself.
Fuck, man, I want some echo in my shit, some reverb, man. My shit probably don't sound. I'm over here freestyling this shit to y'all. That shit don't even sound as good as it do to me. I feel like I'm going off in my ear. Y'all probably think this motherfucker weak. Hey, it's the weak motherfucker. Pulling up you like a sucker. I don't really fuck with busters. I don't really fuck with hustlers. All I do is fuck with hustlers. Pull up, you know I'm take over. Pull up, you know I make over. Ooh wee.
Why are these cars so expensive, bro? That's ridiculous.
That's why I'm telling you, man.
Making me sad.
What's up with it? The Workers Man Garage.